right, so once again we're in a narco house. This time we're in Pacho Herreras house. He used to be a big narco like Pablo Escobar. I'm in the entrance right now. Look, this guy even had a freaking whatever you call that for people to come in, like security guys. I'm pretty sure that they had, oh my god, I just noticed that they have a fucking steel door. Wait a minute. Okay, they have some steel doors. I don't know why they have that, or what is the point of this. Oh, I know what it is. They probably had their weapons here. This is where they used to put their weapons. I'm assuming, right? Anyways, here we are. We're at the entrance. Check it out. Looks like people come here and freaking do everything. Oh, we got a house over there. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, there's gotta be people here. There is an abandoned car right here. Va para allá. Buenas. Bien, ¿y usted? ¿Qué? Oh, nosotros somos hacemos documentales. All right, so they let us record. So check it out. We're gonna do this fast. I told us to do this really quick. All right, so as you can see right here, they got a bunch of holes. Everybody's been digging because they're trying to find what they call caletas. So a caleta will look something like that over there, right there. So people dig holes all over the place. Look at that, holes everywhere. Like, this is what people have been doing for years. It's trying to find money. Look, all this right here, people looking all in the walls, you know, because they know that in this house people have hidden money. Look, they're digging all over the place, as you can see right here, all over the place. But this used to be a huge house. I'm gonna show you in a minute just how big it used to be. Look, people digging holes all over the place, right? So check it out. Look how big this is. This is huge. Right here. Beautiful. I'm gonna record with a wide lens just so you guys can appreciate everything a little better. Oh, por abajo. We're gonna go inside a tunnel right now. All right, so we're inside the tunnels. Oh shit, there's bats in here. Look at that. Freaking bats. There's people digging holes all over the place here, man. People been digging here, man. Digging. Oh, this used to be an elevator right here. More rooms. And this house is really dismantled.
aquí yo traje la...
habitaciones se dice que tiene esto?
Yo ni las he contado.
There's cows over here.
No sé nada. No, yo no sé nada.
All right, we're gonna go upstairs real fast. So people are living here.
No, no hay nada.
Look at that. They got the decorations and everything.
Qué curioso nos puede mostrar que no le hemos visto. Eso ya es muy curioso, eso yo no lo sé.
Sí, ya tienen hasta decoraciones y todo, ¿no?
Sí, yo vivía en la casita de allá.
Sí,
Entonces nos tocó pasarnos para acá.
Brutal, permiso.
Sí,
tan bacano.
Ay, ustedes lograron. Por acá es donde está un segundo piso que tiene que faltar unas escaleras para subirse. ¿Podemos subir?
no hay por dónde subir.
Sí, hay una parte que tiene un hueco, creo que.
No, ya no lo tocaron, ya no hay nada ya para subir. No es que no, mira que no, porque no vamos grada, nada, no hay escalera. Este es para abajo, para cuando traemos la comida, para hacer la comida a los animales.
Oh, this is nice right here. Vegetation.
Estamos sacándole el jugo lo más rápido que podemos.
Claro.
This is really cool. People living here already. This is really cool, man. People are living here. These people are living here, man. They're living the dream in a big house. I'm just kidding. I wouldn't want to live here, to be honest. Bats. I mean, you do have a really nice view, that's for sure. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that right here. That shit right there says center. Look at this, from a second floor, all this is growing on a second floor. This is crazy. Look at her body right there. All right, so we're out of here, guys. We gotta go because they don't want us here. Look at that tree, just hanging there. Muchas gracias.
Bueno, mijo, con mucho gusto. La próxima que venga, llama, porque pues ella me tiene con
Sí.
llave.
No, es que no sabíamos que vivía gente aquí. Como yo he venido como 5 veces y nunca he habido gente aquí.
Estamos aquí.
Ah,
Eso
ok,
me
ok.
mantiene solo y mantiene
listo.
la policía también.
Ah,
como
bueno,
les
listo.
digo yo.
Muchas gracias.
Bendiga, mijo, que esté muy bien.
Gracias.
Excelente día, les guardo.
Gracias.
¿Eso para sacar alguna información o para
Sí,
estudio?
somos youtubers.
Ah, ya, YouTube.
Sí,
Ya.
entonces nos gusta irnos, cada semana escogemos una casa diferente,
Un lugar,
abandonada,
claro, mijo.
para grabar.
Eso está bien. Que Dios les
Sí.
bendiga, que les vaya bien.
Listo, muchas
Me
gracias.
llevan el broche, ¿yo?
Sí, señora. Look at the big pillars. And we're out of here, man. It was a short little trip because you know, there was people here, so we can really check it all out. I've been here before. I think I got some old footage. I'm gonna try to combine it so you can see more of it. Look at the big, how big it looks from here. Esa casa era enorme.